Professor, this is history. Nehru must have had his reasons for his particular interaction with Ambedkar. No one is a god in India. These were humans. Gandhi, Nehru, Ambedkar. We can demonize them, we can defy them. But the fact of the matter is that today Ambedkar has become central. Do you think that this constitution debate which we are having today in context of reservation can turn itself into another Mandal 2.0? Do you see it happening? The late 1980s, when suddenly the two strands of politics became extremely acute. On the one side, you had Advani with his own version of Hindutva, and on the other side, you had those Samajwadis and socialists and the Lohiites with their own version of what Mandal politics mean. Are we revisiting that time?
I think, Kartikeya, yes, it's a very complex time for understanding Ambedkar, because when any symbol comes and become central in the pragmatic politics, then the space of reinterpretation, misinterpretation, wrong interpretation of that symbol appears, and that is happening with the Ambedkar symbols nowadays. यू सी अम्बेडकर को जितनी यानी किसी को भी अम्बेडकर का जो एक मोरल मीनिंग था भारतीय राजनीति के लिए, वो अब मोरल मीनिंग से हटा के हम उनको एक बहुत प्रैक्टिकल रोज रोज इस्तेमाल करने वाले उसके रूप में ट्रांसफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, जबकि उनका एक बहुत मोरल आधार था और बहुत बड़े फिगर थे, लेकिन उनको अब एवरीडे पॉलिटिक्स में भी ब्रॉड दे। और जब एवरीडे पॉलिटिक्स में कोई आता है तो उसका मिसइंटरप्रिटेशन होता ही है, क्योंकि हर आदमी अपने अपने ढंग से, हर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ट्राई टू एनालाइज दैट सिंबल इन पॉलिटिक्स। सो दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम। आई डोंट नो हु ब्रॉट इट। कोई कह सकता है भाई ये कांग्रेस ले आई, संविधान को पॉकेट में रख करके ले आई और फिर डिबेट में ला दिया।
आई थिंक एवरीथिंग हैज टू आई थिंक एवरीथिंग हैज टू बॉयल डाउन टू पॉलिटिक्स। मेरा एक सवाल है इसका, मैं इस पे आना चाहता हूं, बिकॉज़ मैं इस पे आना चाहता हूं। द कांग्रेस गॉट 16.7% वोट्स इन 2019 if I'm not wrong. In 2024 election, Congress vote share jumped to 20%. When it comes to Dalit votes, BJP had got more ST and SC seats in 2014, and they got more seats in 2019 in comparison to BJP. Do you think that this confidence of going after Dalit politics is also a reflection of the fact that they have got their vote share has jumped in Dalit seats and ST seats? Is it because of that, Professor?
Yes, I think it's a political electoral meaning, because that's why they brought Ambedkar in discourse. Actually, Congress become weak because of the rise of Ambedkarite politics, rise of BSP politics, and Dalit votes shifted from the Congress. And so Congress thinks that there is a space to revive by attracting Dalits, and Ambedkar is very necessary for that. बट कार्तिकेय, जब डिस्कोर्स में अभी जो बात कर रहा था कि जब डिस्कोर्स में आप कोई चीज लाते हैं तो हम लोग जो एकेडमिक्स में कहते हैं ना कि आप एक लाइन काट के और पूरे टेक्स्ट को नहीं समझ सकते। तो what happened in today's debate in the media about the Amit Shah lecture, his entire lecture, if you listen, is a text, and from that text you can have took the 11 second. So 11 second can't analyze alone. One can analyze in the bigger context, and then you can get multiple meanings. उसमें कांग्रेस के भी अर्थ दिखाई पड़ेंगे, इनके भी अर्थ दिखाई पड़ेंगे। Similarly, for any leader, I think any text we should analyze in the whole, as a whole.
Okay.